Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete my myCigna account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete or deactivate your myCigna account, Cigna doesn't offer a self-service delete account button online. What you can do instead is head over and open up your Cigna app. Then once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account and then use the secure inbox in your myCigna portal to send a deletion request. Alternatively, you can email or mail a written request using the contact info provided on the member guide or global FAQs. State your full name, Cigna member ID or policy number, registered email address, clear request to delete or deactivate your online or myCigna portal account, or you can also call the Cigna customer service number, that is 1800-244-6224, and then request them to permanently delete your Cigna online account and remove all associated profile data. They may ask you for identity verification like DOB ID number, inform you about record retention policies. Some data might be retained per legal and administrative standards. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.